Today we're going to be test driving this beautiful 1966 Chevelle Super Sport big block 4-speed Tribute. And this is fantastic. Brakes are perfect, no pull left to right. It's got the Super Sport dash in it, speedometer works good, battery charges up here, gas gauge works, temperature gauge works. We have our oil pressure down here, Dave. 65, almost 70 pounds. Factory tack works down here, horn, wipers, heater maybe? No, heater fan does not. I know when it came in it worked and then it quit. Dash pad's beautiful, all the SS stuff is great. Let's take this thing down the road and see what she does, huh? That's better. This has probably got that the carburetor on it. Needs to warm up a little bit. That choke has to open up.
Sweet car.
It drives just perfect. 55 mile an hour down the road, doing 2,000 RPM. It's got great gears. I mean, it'll still bark the tires loose in all 4 gears, but it's a great cruiser.
10-4.
This thing's got all the power a guy's gonna want.
It does. What a fun car. It handles
It's
so
nice, man. The suspension is so great. That was 75, 80. The steering's nice. The suspension feels good. It doesn't wander on you at all.
nice.
This is awesome. This reminds me of those old car movies that, you know, they just freaking, it just sounds so cool. Attaboy. Now that was fun.
Yes, it was. I love the looks of this 1966 Chevelle. Beautiful red paint, big block 4-speed. Great sound. It's a really nice one.
Yeah, that's a cool driver, man. This one's got power steering, power brakes, beautiful engine bay, 396. Isn't that a great car?
Yeah, it is. I like the original rallies on it too.
Yeah, they really look good. Back of the hood lines up nice. Bumper, headlight trim is in beautiful shape. A couple little tiny chips along the edge here. Really not a bad gap, just a little wider in the back, but the hood lines up nicely. Again, it's a gorgeous driver, local car show quality car. Fun car, fast car, huh?
It's got the look. And some cars just have that look where you're just drawn to them.
Yep.
There's just something about them, you don't know what it is, but it just makes you love them. And that's what, this one's definitely got that for me. The color, the stance, the wheels.
I'd agree. Really solid too. This one is super solid underneath. We all power wash it and stuff, and really good one. A few little chips right along here on the door that I'm touched up. Bottom of the fender looks great. Door looks great. One little tiny little spot right there at the back of the door. Lines up really nice to the quarter panel. Nice and straight. Rear sail area here is great. As we look up and down the sides, really a nice straight car. I like that it's got the bottom Super Sport trim, wheel trim, Super Sport emblems, inside and out, SS dash. So when they clone this, the only thing really that's not correct is the VIN number, right? Mm-hmm. Showing that it's a real Super Sport.
Yeah, they did a nice job. Bumpers front and rear been re-chromed, those are beautiful.
That's a nice one. As we look up and down the sides, nice and clean, tires are in great shape. Corner of the door is great. Door panel is in excellent shape. And nice 4-speed, beautiful interior, huh?
I like it.
I think I forgot to get the interior on this side.
Can't do that.
I know. Door jamb paint, not quite as good as the outside paint, but very, very presentable. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
But the interior is great. Bucket seats are awesome. Headliner's super tight. Chrome around the interior is in good shape. Dash is beautiful. Factory tack, Hurst shifter. Really stunning interior.
Stunning car. Go to the site, coyoteclassics.com. Check this thing out. If you're interested, give us a call. We can help with financing, shipping. We can make it yours.